Hello everyone, my name is Vishal and I am a digital analytics professional with over 7 years of experience in this domain. Welcome to the 8th video in this series called Learn BigQuery the Spreadsheet Way. If you haven't checked out the previous videos, I would recommend you to watch them before this one. In this video, I am going to teach you how to use different operators in BigQuery. Without further ado, let's dive into it right away. These are the different category of operators that we are going to learn today. Arithmetic operators, comparison operators, logical operators, in operator, and is operator. We are going to use COVID-19 public dataset with the data for 4th of April. Once again, the basic syntax of a query is keyword select followed by the fields that you want to select, keyword from followed by table name, keyword where, and the condition. Arithmetic operators. With arithmetic operators, you can perform operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and negation. Let's see how you would do this in sheets. Let's say you want to perform an addition for the column deaths and active. Select the first column, plus, and the second column. To do this in BigQuery, we can say deaths plus active as, let's call it total infected. So the operator that we are using here is plus. Let's run this. Two 289, 234, 161. So the output matches. Just like plus, we can use minus, multiply, divide, negation. Let's try one more. Let's say you want to divide covered by confirmed. Let's call it recovery rate. Covered divide by confirmed. Oh, so you get an error division by 0 because the denominator is 0. To resolve this, we can use the safe underscore divide function that I had covered in one of the earlier videos. So this is the recovery rate. We can also round this value. Let's say I want to round this to 2 decimal places. Okay. Similarly, you can convert it into percentage. So this is the arithmetic operators. Let's move on to the next set of operators, comparison operators. Less than, equal to, greater than, equal to, and not equal to. Not equal to, you can use an exclamation or less than, greater than bracket. Let's see how we do this in sheet. X less than y. or greater than y. So we can use if function if it's greater than recovered, we can say true or false. It's greater than recovered, true. Okay. Now let's see how we do this in BigQuery. We can add a condition here and it's greater than recovered. So we only get those records where this condition is true. Okay, so the output makes sense. Similarly, we can try less than equals to, greater than, not equals to. Let's try equals to. Let's look for records where that's equals to recovered. Okay, the values are same. Similarly, we can try not equals to. Just put an exclamation mark. So now the values are not equal. Okay, this is comparison operators. Next, logical operators. So logical operator, first one is not, then and or. And is something that we are already using. Let's try not. So instead of using not equal to here, let's try using the not operator, where not that's equal to recovered. This gives us the same output, but this time using the operator not. Let's try using and or together. Let's say we only want the records where country is US or Australia. So what can we do in this scenario? Country equals to US or country equals to Australia. And we put this in a bracket. Okay. So now we have those records where country is either Australia or US. This is sorted by country. So first we see the Australia records and then the US. So we've used and or, both of them together in a single condition. Next one is operate in operator. In operator can be used in a similar scenario. So let's say we want to look for country Australia, US, and Canada. So we can say country in Australia, comma US, comma Canada. And we can pass as many values as we want in operator. So basically what in does it looks for the values that are passed here in the list in the brackets. X in Y comma Z comma so on. So the output we see Australia, Canada and US. So this is the in operator. X in Y comma Z comma so on. Okay. Now the last is operator. So you can use is operator to check for x is null or x is true or x is false. Let's try looking for states that have null values. Okay, so we get records where state is a null value. Let's try is not null. Okay, so now we only get records where state is not null. Okay. Just to recap, we covered the following operators: arithmetic operators for addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, negation; comparison operators for less than, equals to, greater than, equals to, and not equals to; logical operators, not, and, or; in operator, and is operator. With this, we come to an end of this 8th video. I hope you liked it. Please drop in your feedback, questions, or suggestions in the comment box. In the next video, I will cover a new topic. Thank you for your time and goodbye.